So yo guys, there is security guard. Guys, he's directly where that guys, we gotta be safe. Phones are not allowed. Wait, mainly recording. I gotta run before the security guard finds out. I'm secretly recording him. Guys, I literally see the security guard in the blue color dress. There's a GVM security guard. Literally chilling. So, run! Yo guys, new update. I think it's not coming or coming to the ground. If it is coming, yeah, I am cooked. The tornado. Wait, I'm safe. No security guard. It's happy. Guys, I think I just saw the security guard. Like it's sick. He is not there. I suppose I got checking there. Then no security guard coming. I think I have to run a full marathon. So the security guard will know there is no one recording. So yo guys, there will be security guarded there, and gotta do the marathon really quick. You operate. There is another funnel. We're directly heading for the ground. Take the shortcut. Like, why are you even? I think it would be good if I do it like this. So, yo guys, still a marathon. Like making sure no security guard stands there. Why I am even recording this? Guys, I did like 3 marathons. Didn't even show you. Wait, why I'm making you wait? Report. Nah, don't wanna. Because I wanna show the full security scavenger, the full security hunt. Like the security guy is gonna hunt for any cams. While at this time, I'm gonna go back. So that makes half a marathon. I gotta get coast clear. Security guard RN. Guys, it's not even a video anymore. It's me trying to save my life in that twin tornado. And that stretches. Short run. Yelling no security guard. Guys, I think coast clear. There is someone asking. Yeah, there is my brother trying to farm some Jamaican, and I'm gonna go and ask for some taxes because I don't know. Should be. Bro, how many Jamaicans you found? Zero? Where are all the Jamaicans?
All the people stepped on it.
Sure?
And the juice fell out.
Sure? Okay. There are still Jamaican. Guys, there are some like girls. First, I have to check if no security guard.
There's a security guard coming towards us.
I don't see. I don't see.
Okay.
So fully security scavenger hunt.
There is no security.
Guys, coast clear, and there are some girls like doing yoga, I think, exercises. But I don't care. Guys, today is Independence Day, guys, for India. We are celebrating and it dressed up as Subhash Chandra Bose.
My bro, I didn't went to school, but my bro went to.
Yeah, guys, it dressed up as Subhash Chandra Bose. I'm gonna lie now. There are some girls exercising, and I don't really care about them, bro. Why do I care about them? And they're only like no Jamaican. Bro, get out of the Jamaican tree, bro. What if some people found about the Jamaican tree? Guys, we have to make sure that no people. No.
Yes, sir.
Guys, he's saying this is Jamaican tree, but it's not. Because, bro, the leaves are different. I'm gonna show them, guys. Exercising. Scavenger hunt. Dude. Bro, there are like so many people, bro. We do not want them to fight. So that's the episode 3 or 4, I think, on this.
Welcome to our sponsors, Kittens.